XPENG, a Chinese smart electric vehicle and AI mobility brand, plans to enter the Philippine market this September with a lineup aimed at premium tech-forward motorists. Ahead of the launch, XPENG brought Philippine automotive journalists and content creators to its headquarters in Guangzhou, China for a 6-day immersion tour. More than a preview of upcoming models, the visit offered a close look at the brand's wider physical AI mobility ecosystem. At the center of that ecosystem is XPENG's in-house Turing AI chip technology, powering a tri-domain vision that extends beyond cars to smart EVs, iron humanoid robotics, and low-altitude aircraft under its aviation arm, Arridge. The Philippine delegation also witnessed a live docking demonstration of the XPENG land aircraft carrier. On the road, participants tested the VLA 2.0, XPENG's next-generation intelligent driving system, through real-world traffic in Guangzhou. They also toured the brand's smart factory where advanced robotics and integrated gigacasting help cut vehicle body weight while enhancing crash safety. The spotlight then shifted to the vehicles bound for the Philippines. The initial local lineup includes the X9 and the sleek L03 fastback coupe SUV. Positioned for tech-savvy buyers, the L03 features an ultra-low drag coefficient, native Google Maps integration, and a dual powertrain setup promising more than 1,000 kilometers of range. The week wrapped up with the Philippine contingent joining international media for the global debut of XPENG's flagship G9L luxury vehicle. With this preview, XPENG is not only preparing to introduce new electric vehicles locally, it is also positioning itself as a new player in premium AI-driven mobility for Filipino motorists.